Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. Welcome back. Today is May 7th. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Your random question for today. I want to know, what is something that you would never choose to do? I asked you guys the opposite question, which was, what's something on your bucket list, something that you want to do? Well, I don't know if you're like me, you probably have a list of things that you don't want to do. For me, I don't have any interest in going to India and not really much interest in going to China. Those are two extremely populated places, tons of people, and it just doesn't sound like fun to me. I mean, I think the country looks cool, and it'd be fun to see the geography and everything, and like animals and stuff, but just too many people. So yeah, and there's a lot of other things I would never want to do also, but those are two of my examples. So let me know, what are some things that you guys would not want to do? Okay, so we can see still the same due date, May 11th. So on Monday is when we have Access Chapter 4 is due. Side note, I will get Access Chapter 3 uploaded onto SIS so you guys can see how that impacts your grade. I will do that today for you. I'll just review our calendar for the rest of the school year in case you guys missed it or just want a refresher. Excuse me. Okay, so Access Chapter 4 due on the 11th, and then we don't have an exam. So honestly, after our next assignment, you're done. You're at least done with any new work, and you can focus on getting caught up or focus on redoing any old grades to get a better grade on them. Okay, and then the last day for late work for anyone that's just doing the high school class, that is going to be the 19th. So that's Tuesday the 19th. And then if you're in the concurrent enrollment class getting college credit, then the last day for late work is going to be the 22nd. That'll be Friday, the very last day of school. Okay? Email me if you have any questions about that, because that's maybe a little bit confusing. Okay. Now, the agenda for today, we just want to begin the Access Chapter 4 simulation exam. My bad, that's a typo. I'll fix that. In fact, I'll fix that right now. There we go. So you want to start the Access Chapter 4 simulation exam, finish it if possible, and then pat yourself on the back because you've done all of your assignments for this class. And then you can work on getting caught up if you want to. But anyhow, I'll leave it at that. I'm rambling. Email me if you guys have questions. I'm especially available from 11 to 12. That's when I watch my emails most closely so that I can respond to you guys as quickly as possible. So let me know how I can help. Have an awesome day, and we will see you guys soon.